this is the 10th year that Boeing has hosted the Discovery Cube rocket launch. It's such a great partnership. It's certainly part of the history of Boeing here at the Huntington Beach campus, and putting them together for a decade now is so exciting, and we really appreciate Boeing for sponsoring this event.
Boeing is an integral part of our city. It has been for years. The entire aerospace industry, really, we have a rich history with that, but Boeing in particular, very important to the city. They contribute so much. So we're proud that they're here. It's the only time during the year that the public gets to come onto the Boeing campus and experience what they do here for space technology and other science. So this is a fantastic event to be at. I'm really happy that we get to be a part of it today.
They're going to make a rocket, water bottle. It's nice and safe, but out of a simple 2-liter bottle. But it's part of the Discovery Cube magic sauce of learning by having fun. One of the things I love about Discovery Cube rocket launch is it's our best family event, I think. Families all working together. You don't see the cell phones out. They're not doing anything but working on a project together and having fun together. It's a great day.
It sure is. This is the first time we've made our way out here, and going to join everybody and have a great time and do some rockets. And she loves rockets and science, and always go down to the science center, so we're glad to be a part of it.
We just started decorating, and my dad helped me, and it was really fun.
Absolutely. This is our second year doing it. It was fun last year. We just kind of showed up and used what they had and realized we could bring our own rockets. So we're trying to win this year.
I love it. I think this is a great mother-son bonding, especially with Mother's Day being tomorrow. I think it's a great activity.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fun day for the kids to do science, and I'm a teacher, so you know, all about all the scientific formulas and everything, and get it. Say, we're having fun.
And what better than to let the kids experience it by launching their own rocket? So if we can connect them there to see what they're going on in the space world to the I could do this, well, that's an exciting connection for us, for these kids and their future.
So important for them to be proficient in these areas, and the careers at this event might inspire kind of that hands-on experience that kids get to do, building a rocket and watching it take off and go into the sky. You never know what that might inspire for careers, maybe even inventions coming right out of this event. So we're very excited.
The Discovery Cube rocket launch is a great event hosted by the Boeing company here in Huntington Beach. It's a great chance for everyone to come out as a family and have some fun, and the kids are going to learn something while they're at it. Take advantage of this every year, keep on coming back, and let's have a great day at the rocket launch.